going on, y'all? So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I know you guys heard about this Olympus Dao protocol and how Olympus is actually being used for something useful and is making y'all happy, and it's making ridiculous, crazy thousands or hundreds of thousands of percentages of APY every single year. And it may sound too good to be true, but so far it's proving to be very accurate, and it's proving to have nothing wrong with it. I'm going to explain exactly what it is. This is by what it is, I mean Olympus Dao, and why there are so many forks, aka copycats, happening right now that do exactly the same thing that Olympus Dao protocol does. And I'm going to tell you how exactly you can make these same 8,000% or so APYs. So let's go. But first, hit the like button, tap subscribe, and write a comment below, and I'll shout you out in the next video. Actually, in the video before this about NFT coins, 𝘊𝘰𝘳𝘺𝘰 said the dumbest people, what did he say? The dumbest people on Instagram are the bots that keep posting about Beyonce and Jay-Z. It's true. Bots are extremely annoying, especially when you're rich and sexy and famous off of Instagram, like me. They're very annoying. Also in my other video before that, we have Scott Brown. He commented, "Oh, it was nice meeting you last night. You know your stuff." And it's true. Thank you. We met at a meetup here in the DC Baltimore area. It was absolutely amazing. So anyways, thank you guys for the comments. And also you need to comment below and I'll shout you out in the next video. So before I show you how to become stinking rich, like the wishes of my Niger father who sacrificed everything coming all the way to America for me, let me explain exactly what this crypto is. All right, so let me look at my computer. Olympus Dao protocol is a decentralized reserved currency protocol that uses the OHM token, okay? OHM, or OHM, is a protocol that is a lot less finicky than the others because it has a basket of assets that back up its value. It is programmatically locked to this basket of assets and cannot be stolen by its creators or anyone else. It therefore has an intrinsic value that it cannot fall below. The protocol constantly gives out OHM tokens to its stakers as long as its market's OHM price is higher than its backing price. If the market price is ever lower than its backing price, the basket of assets will sell itself to create more OHM, therefore ensuring it never goes below the backing price. This means if the whole market crashes dramatically and we have a Great Depression and everything sucks, the backing value of OHM will still remain still for the foreseeable future. It is really stable. It's a very high chance that you pretty much have nothing to lose. It's very stable. It's very safe for crypto terms anyways. YouTube forces me to say that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but we all know what it is, okay? You're gonna be fine. There are two ways to make money from OHM. Staking, which this tutorial will tell you how to do, and bonding, which I may show how to do in a future video. I'm not really sure yet. When you stake OHM, aka when you give it to the protocol to hold it for you, you will begin to earn 𝘊𝘰𝘺𝘺 every 8 hours. 𝘊𝘰𝘺𝘺 is worth just as much as regular OHM, so don't worry about it. You can unstake 𝘊𝘰𝘺𝘺 anytime you want, but obviously you don't want to do that. You want to continue to hold it and stake it as long as possible. That way you can get as much earnings as you possibly can because it grows exponentially. Your earnings grow exponentially. They start off slow at the beginning, but then they just shoot up dramatically. These earnings actually come from bonding that I mentioned earlier. Bonding is when the protocol sells OHM to anyone for a discount. These people are called bonders, obviously. They're able to get it for a discount because they agree to give a certain amount of US dollar crypto, like Tether or like USDC or Paxos, that's the new fancy one that everyone loves, in exchange for a 10% discount or so on OHM 5 days later. Olympus is an absolutely amazing protocol because it's completely decentralized and any major changes will have been done through voting of the people who own the tokens, aka you and me. Also, the vast majority of the profits goes to the community, aka token holders. Profits are currently a ridiculous 6,800% APY, a number that's insane for even crypto standards. Okay, enough yada yada yada. Let's talk about exactly how to do this. First, you need to download the MetaMask app to your Firefox or Chrome. Look up my course in the description below, or it might be in the bio. I tell you exactly how to do MetaMask stuff, or you could go on YouTube and search how to do MetaMask. It's going to take you a little bit longer. It's better to do my course. Shameless plug, not really, because that's why I'm making these videos, but use my course. It'll help you out a lot. Get the MetaMask wallet. Then you need to buy some Ethereum. You can get this from any major exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. Then send the Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. After, head to SushiSwap and exchange Ethereum for the OHM token, OHM. Then go to Olympus Dao website and stake your OHM. I'll have the link to the Olympus Dao website below. Click the stake button on the right or on the left, I mean, and you'll be able to see the current APY, the total value of OHM in a protocol's treasury deposited, and the index, which is the amount of rebases delivered. You'll also be able to see your OHM balance, your staked balance, your next reward that will show up every 8 hours or less, and the percentage of the staked amount that you'll receive in this next reward. Finally, you'll see the 5-day return on your investment. First, you have to approve your ability to stake, and then you should click the max or whatever amount of OHM that you want to stake. Then finally click the OHM button. After 30 seconds or so, you should see the OHM change to SOHM. And literally, that's it. I mean, it's so easy. Sit back, watch the money flow in every 8 hours like magic. It's absolutely amazing. It's the greatest thing of all time. Your rewards will grow higher and higher. That's a really tongue twister. Will grow higher and higher exponentially, like I said before. It's insane. To unstake, do the exact opposite. Click unstake, then approve, then the amount that you wish to unstake. You probably don't want to do this, like I said before, because your profits will be way higher if you just keep it in the protocol, if you keep it on the website. And there you have it. This rebase DAO is absolutely insane. Your bank gives you a ridiculous like 0.001% APY. The S&P 500 on a lucky year will give you a 10% APY, but crypto DeFi like this one gives you a ridiculous 6,000 to 8,000% APY. To be honest, once this becomes popular, I have no idea how people are going to be still working. I have no idea why people will still have jobs. You can make a ridiculous amount of money eating hot Cheetos, playing video games. What I'm personally going to do, I'm going to still be working out. I'm still going to be making videos, but the amount of money that people are going to be making in the next few years are just absolutely ridiculous. Now, keep that in mind. The APY is not going to stay at 8,000% or 6,000% forever, but it's still going to be very, very high for a very long time. It'll stay at a very low 500% or 1,000% for the foreseeable future. Oh, the humanity. So I'm giving you this information for free because I do not benefit from it. Make sure that you share it with others, share this video with other people. The reason why I'm doing this is because I thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. Let's get this money.